pouring the strong wall, which is associated with the structures lab. It's 35.5 feet tall in total. We'll be placing out about 154 cubic meters of concrete today over an 8-hour period. You see the pump operator up there at the top. He's actually operating the pump from the top of the surface. The long boom on it allows us to be able to drop the nozzle all the way down to the elevation where we're placing concrete. If we drop it from too high, the aggregate segregates from it and you don't get a consistent pour. So they have to actually keep the concrete dropping a short distance.
And so what's going on here at the wall now?
We're just checking the braces down here to make sure there's no movement.
And what's going on
right now? He's feeding it all the way down to where the concrete pour is right now. So that long tube there, that pipe going down, where the concrete will come all the way down. So they're dropping it only a short distance to the actual concrete pour.
In total, into the strong wall itself, placing reinforcing steel formwork, forming and placing the concrete, it's about 430 man hours we spent to date, and we'll have total invested into the strong wall itself.
I was involved right from the beginning of the new engineering building in the planning stage for that lab. So the way I did it, I tried to make it such a way that we will be the best and we will be the best in Canada. So the strong wall is a reaction frame. Without the strong wall, nobody wouldn't be able to test any building segment like the wall or building column or even a tower, whatever it is, standing particle, standing up. We need to test that. We need a strong wall to apply the load onto the specimen, but it has to react against the strong wall. Without strong wall, it's impossible to test anything against the wind and earthquake load.